हेलो एंड वेलकम टू दिस क्लास। आज के क्लास में हम लोग करेंगे सॉलिड मेनू ऑप्शंस। ओके, सो वी विल डू द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शंस: बॉस, रिब, पुश पुल, ऑफसेट, शेल, फिलेट एज, ब्लेंड एज, चैम्फर एज, यूनियन, डिफरेंस, इंटरसेक्शन, boolean two objects and boolean split. Okay, so let us start with the first option, solid menu boss. Okay, so I go to Rhino, I create a box here. Okay, so create a box in the top view like this. Keep the perspective in shaded. Go to the top view, create two rectangles. I create a rectangle here, I create another rectangle here. Now go to the move tool, select both the rectangles like this, go to the isometric view or the perspective view and move it to the top. I maximize this view, move it to the top like this. So now here you can keep circle anything. Okay, I have kept rectangle like this. So then I will go to the solid command, solid menu, go to boss. Okay, select the two closed curves here, this one, press enter, then click on this surface box. Now see, like this. Let's do it once again. I delete everything, I create a box like this, I create a rectangle. This should be a 2D shape. Okay, then I create a circle like this, then I select both this shape, holding shift, I move it a little bit to the top. Okay, this is very important. If you keep it in the bottom, it will not work. Okay, like this, it should look like this. Okay, so then I will go to solid, then I will go to boss, click on this two shapes, enter, then click on this shape like this. Now this is a single object. This shape will remain here. Okay, so you can either move it or delete it. You can use it as a external reference. Okay, now this is a single object. So when we will be doing advanced object modeling, we will be requiring this kind of things. Okay, this is number one. Okay, let us go to number two. This was our boss, next is our rib. Process is same, but see what will be the difference. I create a box like this, create two rectangles like this. Now select both the rectangles, holding shift, move it to the top like this. Now in rib what will happen, it will extrude with a hole inside. Okay, and you will get the thickness of the border. Let us do one, and after that we will change the settings. Go to solid, go to rib, same process as boss, select these two objects, enter, select this object. Now see, the same extrusion has been done, but you see you will get a thickness over here like this. Let us undo it and do it again. I press undo now. Now I go to solid, I go to rib again. Here you see, here it is asking a distance. Okay, this distance is the distance of the thickness. Okay, I will click on this distance, make this 2, enter, then I select these two shapes, enter, select this object. Now see, the thickness is 2 units. There will be many object designs which will be coming. Okay, so which you will face in the future. Okay, in that this option will be very useful. Okay, boss and rib. Okay, let us go to our next option, push pull. So in push pull, I select this, delete them, I create a box. Okay, like this. I will go to solid, click on push pull, select the face which you want to push or pull. I select this face. You will see a line will occur like this. You can type the distance or you can roughly click, it will be extended to that point. Okay, let us do it again, solid, push pull, click here, then just move. Okay, when this is used, suppose sometimes you needed to extrude this by 5 units, but by chance you have extruded by 3 only. Now instead of doing undo, you can just push pull by extra 2 units it will be equal to extruding in 5. Okay, this is an example. You can give positive as well as negative. Okay, so I give push pull here. I can take it inside also. Okay, solid, push pull, click on this object and inside. When you click it, it will remain like this. Okay, so this is about your push pull. After push pull, you are having offset. Offset is a very interesting thing. I delete this object, create another box like this. Go to solid. Here you have an option called offset. Click on this offset. Select surfaces. I select this whole object as the surface. Press enter. Okay. Here I have given the distance 2. Corner is round and it is solid. Now just press enter. Yes. Just move the object or make it shaded. Rendered. It is almost equal to your fillet edges. Okay, like this. Your edge will be very smooth. Let me do it again. Delete this. Create a box like this. And when you do offset, the original object will be intact. Okay, solid. Click on offset. I click on distance, say 5, enter. I select this. The object is selected already. Press enter. Okay, now just move it outside. See, this is the object which has been created and this was our original object. Okay, this is the option called offset. After offset, we are having shell. Shell is a very interesting option. I have the box here like this. Now go to solid, click on shell. Now select the faces which you want to remove. I want to remove these faces. So click on this top face and the thickness is 1. Okay, press enter. Now you see. Do you remember we did matchbox? Okay, so in matchbox we had to add a solidify, but here by default it has got a thickness. Let us do it again. For doing a shelf also we use this. Okay. So go to solid, go to shell, click on this face, then I select this face like this. Thickness is 1. I click on this, make this 2, press enter again. Now see for matchbox as we did. Okay, so here it got shelled as well as it has got a solidify. Okay, this is about your solid shell. After that we have got fillet edge, blend edge and chamfer edge. Okay, let us see one by one. Create a rectangle. So when we create a rectangle, we should know the measurement. Otherwise you cannot create perfectly. Suppose if I click over here first base, okay, other corner, suppose I click over here, it is around this much, and height here it is around say 40 feet, type 40, enter. Okay, so the height is 40, so this is around say 100 by 100 something. Okay, so now I will go to solid, click on fillet edge. Let us make 3 copies and just compare all the 3. How to make a copy? Hold the alt, click and drag, you will get a copy, number 1. Again hold the alt, click and drag, a copy like this. Now we will practice all the 3 one by one. Select the first one, go to solid, go to fillet edge. I select the first one, 1, 2, 3. Let us select these 3 points and check. By default the unit is 1, let it be okay. Press enter. 1 is actually very less, press enter. Now see you get like this. Okay, now I go to the second option, go to solid, go to fillet, click on blend edge, 1, 2, 3. Let us keep the same amount, 1, enter. Now see you will see a slight difference between this and this. You will see a slight difference. Okay, in this point you see how it looks and here how it looks. Okay, let us go to the third option, chamfer. Go to solid, go to fillet edge, click on chamfer edge, 1, 2, 3, enter. This is chamfer. Okay, this is completely pointed and this is filleted. Okay, so this is about your option, fillet edge, blend edge, chamfer edge. Then comes union, subtraction, intersection. Okay, so I delete this one. I create a box like this, and I create a sphere like this. Okay. Now I will create 3 copies of this to practice all the things. Solid. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us create 5 objects. Okay. Alt, click and drag. Let us create 3 first. Okay. Union, subtraction, intersection like this. Go to solid, go to union, click on this 1, 2, enter. Now this is a single object. Next, solid, difference, click on 1, enter. Then click on second, enter. This is difference. Then intersection, go to solid, go to intersection, click on 1, click on 2, enter, enter, like this. Okay. So this is about your union. It becomes 1, it subtracts the object, difference, and it creates the intersection out of this. This is intersection. After this, we have got another 2 options, Boolean 2 objects and Boolean split. Okay, these are 2 interesting things. Let us see one by one. Okay, delete this. Let me create a box like this. Let me create a sphere like this. Okay, so now I will use the option solid Boolean 2 objects. Click on Boolean 2 objects. Select the first object, select the second object. Okay, so now you can click to iterate to Boolean results. Means if I click on this, you will see like this. If I click on this, you will see like this. If I click on this, you will see like this. Okay, if I click here, you will see like this. Okay, so this is actually random. Okay, where you click, it depends upon that whether it will do an addition, subtraction, or intersection. Instead of doing this randomly, it is better to choose any of these 3 instead of doing this. Okay, so then comes Boolean split. This is a very interesting thing. Okay, Boolean split. Okay, so we have got Boolean split. In Boolean split, what we will do, see this carefully. I will create a sphere here like this. Okay, this is my sphere. Okay, so then I have to go to a particular view. Suppose I go to front view and I create a curve here. Okay, let me create a curve from this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I create an intersecting curve like this. Then I will extrude the curve. Okay, so keep it a little bit outside. Okay, I keep it somewhere here. Then I will extrude it outside. Extrude curve. Okay. Now click on this curve, enter. Like this. Now you see an object like this. So now I want to split. Okay, means I want to split the upper part and the bottom part. So here I will go to solid. I will go to Boolean split. Here I will first select the surface to split. That is my sphere. Press enter. Then I will click this area to split. Then press enter. Now you can check. Select the top one and move it. Select the bottom one and move it. Okay. You have seen a Pepsi logo. Okay. Somewhat like this. Okay. You can create a shape like this. Okay. So this is about your solid menu options. Okay. Till Boolean split. So practice all this one by one. In the next class, we will go to next options. Thank you.